Hello guys and welcome. Today we have a great strategy only for you, for my subscribers or for new traders. So watch this video till the end, because at the end of the video every time I'm giving part of my profit and you can be part of it too. So yeah, share this video with your friends so you can increase your chances, and let's get started. So guys, we are on a broker. Here we trade binary options, right? That's why we're here. Okay, today we have $175. From this amount we're gonna increase our deposit, and we have today OTC market, so this will help us to make really good money in a more fast way. So today strategy, we need only two indicators. The first one is an oscillator, and of course we'd better use one of the channel indicators. For example, let it be Bollinger Bands. We need to set the period to 20 and the deviation to 2 on Bollinger Bands. They're the most reliable settings for 1 minute time frame. Our main signal will be the touch of the upper or lower boundary of the Bollinger Bands, and also we're gonna watch the color of the histogram on the accelerator, and another signal when is the accelerator crossed level 0. I'll show you how it works in practice. Let's get started. Alright guys, let's have a look at this one. And yep, I caught it. The best timing for opening long position. Then the red candle just showed up, new red candle. So we'll see some kind of flat in this zone. Previously the price went into correction, the price rebounded from the upper boundary of the Bollinger. There was a false breakout, but the price started going down. By the way, we see a negative histogram on the accelerator, which means that B is in control so far. But I'm sure, guys, that rebound is just about to happen. Believe me, the price will go up. So let's just wait before a new candle. We have 17, 16, and 15 seconds. And we're in the profits. That's great, guys. Our first position is in profit. We have $336 on the balance. And again, there was a false breakdown, but the price returned inside the channel, and now it's going up exactly as I predicted by this perfect strategy. Alright, let's update amount and open long position. The histogram is green on the accelerator, and at the same time the price touched the middle line of the Bollinger, so that's why we're gonna play out a potential bounce from this middle line of the Bollinger. Previously there was a good correction on the chart, and now the price should continue going up in the direction of the current trend. Meanwhile, as I said, we see green histogram on the accelerator, and I have no doubt that the price will go up. This is so predictable considering in the fact that we see the uptrend on the chart. So look, another green candle. Come on, come on, come on. Show yourself again. And we got it. This position is also in profits, guys. Great trade, I could say. Really good signal. Now the correction is over and the price will go higher. So that's it. We played out the correction. So as you can see, this Bollinger settings works perfectly. So let's keep going. So we see nice downtrend here, but in this zone we see some kind of flat. By the way, look at this support zone, guys. Meanwhile, there's a lead histogram on the accelerator, and I think it makes sense to open the short position here. Yeah, we'll play ahead of the market. The price has to touch the lower boundary of the Bollinger. We count on that. You should also pay attention to the negative histogram on oscillator. Moreover, the histogram crossed level 0, which is huge bearish signal, guys. And let's wait. Yeah, here we go. Look at this beautiful touch, exactly as we predicted, guys. Perfect position entry. Let's just enjoy the price movement. And we're in the profits again. That's great, guys. Close to $1,300. Let's update the amount. Great outcome so far. I want to show you one more time. We waited for the price to touch the lower boundary of the Bollinger, right? At the same time, we noticed that the accelerator's histogram crossed the level 0. That was a huge sell signal, guys. Remember it, and we ended up in profits. As simple as that, guys. So there is no stopping here. Let's find another promising currency pair. Same situation, guys, but now the price is gonna touch the upper boundary of the Bollinger, and let's open a line here without hesitation. The accelerator's histogram just crossed the level 0, but now the upside, which is a bullish signal, guys. The price will definitely reach the upper boundary. There is no doubt about it. At the same time, we see the positive diagram on the accelerator, which tells us that the upward dynamics should dominate. So and we're in the profits, guys. That's great. That's how you play. That's how you trade ahead of the market by this strategy. We just noticed it. We didn't open position around the touching of lower or upper boundaries of channel. No, we opened before touching, like because of the accelerator and the middle line. And right now we opening short position here. We can observe some kind of flat on the chart. So let me explain in detail. First of all, we see this huge positive dynamics on the accelerator, and obviously it should go into correction. Then we see the touch of the upper boundary of Bollinger Bands, which means that the price has to go into correction. We don't see high volatility here, guys. Actually, it looks like a flat. For me, the price goes this way, and I think the price is gonna go lower. So let's see. And we're in the profits, guys. Look at this one, $4,000. Insecure, good job as always. So take a look at the accelerator. The red histogram just showed up exactly as we predicted, guys. And now let's continue trading session. I guess we're going good right now. Well, here we see the touch of the lower boundary of the Bollinger. At the same time, we see the positive histogram on the accelerator. That's why we open two long positions right now. I'm gonna show you one more time. So previously there was a strong uptrend on the chart, and then we see this correction. The price touched the lower boundary of the Bollinger, and I think the uptrend should continue. The price will go to the upside. At the same time, look at the green histogram on the accelerator. And this is a bullish signal, guys. The pullback is gonna happen. And there we go, guys. We got almost $8,000. So far, so good. I think let's open our final positions for today, and then we can fix the profit as always. Alright, guys, let's open our 3 short positions. I guess this is a nice chance. The price touched the upper boundary of the Bollinger. At the same time, we have a huge resistance level here. I think the price will bounce from this level, right? Right, guys. In addition, the price should go into correction after the touch of the upper boundary. So that's why we opened the short position. Have a look at this negative histogram here. The accelerator crossed the level 0 to the downside. This is a huge bearish signal, guys. So let's have a look at this correction. The red candle just showed up. Alright, exactly as we predicted. And there we go, guys. We're in a huge profit today. Good job. I think it should be enough for today. We started from 150, something like that, as I can remember correctly, if I'm not mistaken. So we just made in a few minutes 13,000. I guess this is a great result. Let's withdraw them. Alright, guys, continue button, and our operation successfully done. I'll attach the screenshot, of course, at the end of this video. And that's the strategy, guys. I wish you like it. Quite fast. We made 13,000 as always, I guess. So don't forget to try this on. Leave in the comments your reviews. Don't forget about the likes, comments, subscriptions to my YouTube and Telegram channel, where there's a lot of strategies. So have a good market. Bye 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 bye.